From my understanding, we find a book in an attic that contains a bunch of like old family memories. And we like learn a bunch about our like relatives and stuff. Which kind of gives me Edith Finch vibes, but without the parkour and secret passageways. I wasn't reading that. Can you go get the boxes out of the what now? Of course, Mum. I'll see that. I hate it when they auto-skip reading. I read slow. It's a mess here. I will never find the decorations. Wait, what is this book? I'm going to go ahead and assume it's probably a photo album. Kin. Take. Okay. Okay, so that's our character. Oh. Chapter 1, Quiet Reading. Okay. So are we just observing different things and like we have to get clues about who they are as people? Oh, whoops. We had the pleasure of hearing that you were expecting a happy event. Rudy and you must be so happy. We cannot wait to meet our granddaughter, S&A. Cute. Cute. We can't, like, open... Oh, okay. What fell out? Change? Apparently that's all that was in there. Just some change. Jesus.
Warbringer 11128 is following the Vampire Queen.
Hi, Alan. I thought you were going... Didn't you go to... Thank you for the follow. Sorry. That, first of all. Secondly, I thought you were going to sleep or something? But hi. Welcome in. You're in bed? Okay. Well, welcome in. Hopefully the vibes of this game will help lull you to sleep. Oh, that's a lot of things. Are we supposed to be matching things? I'm very confused. Aha! We're making pairs of things that look similar. Got it. Yeah. Realised I hadn't dropped you a follow yet, so I came to drop a follow and a lurk. Thank you, I appreciate it. Enjoy your lurk. Monet. I like Monet. Not my favourite artist. But I do like. I very much like. That wasn't a match? Okay. What about this one and this one? Because they're both rocks. Yeah! Well, I bet that one matches the Monet. No? Tricksy little hobbitses. Wait, what is that? That's trees. What are you again? Trees. Okay. Is that because it's trees and snow? Okay. What was this? Huts. Black Pringles balanced weirdly. What in the how the... I feel like this one needs to be matched with something, but I don't know what. Bailey's being a fucking brat tonight. Like, really bad. I'm confused and concerned. The bratty baby is here because she wants to scream, so I have acquired. Sorry, I'm here and lurking doing some research on Manchester temporary accommodations. If you guys know any websites, let me know. Booking.com. Check booking.com. That's the one I use for my hotel stays. They're usually really good at getting you like good prices. Hi, Lilo. Yeah, she's being a little brat tonight, so I have accosted her. And we are trying to figure out which of these two pictures match. Oh, god damn it. Careful. No, I have hiccups. Well, it wasn't a sneeze, it was a hiccup. I was trying to get rid of my hiccups. But thank you. And yeah, this is a Udi. Hi. Lift your butt. She's really bad for like not lifting her butt. Oh, and away she goes to be a screaming little brat again. Did you remind yourself that you're not a fish? You know, I tried that. But it didn't work. And now I have a song stuck in my head instead. Did I not press those two before? I thought I did. Okay, whatever. I'm a little yellow fish in the deep blue sea. How? How do those match in any way, shape, or form? Okay, you know what? Whatever. Sure. Sure. Why not?
While some enter a museum to be coerced by studies of the weather, painting was a mere expression that moved her deeply.
Gonna scream. Did cross my mind. I'll have a look. Yes, I did. I answered her question. Martin, hello. Welcome in. Sorry, I'm a little bit annoyed at my dog right now because she's being a fucking brat. Hi. What am I supposed to be deducing from these photos now? Did I do it? Is that just it? I did it. I did the thing. That's it, I think. Cool. Oh, that's fun.
A given name can cause all kinds of problems. It can be too long, too complicated, or not international enough. However, that day, she did not need to go further than the letter A.
I am good, thank you. Slightly annoyed at my dog, like I said, but otherwise I'm good. Can I move her back? Oh, I can. Whee! Nothing in here to be observed? Okay. The famous empty cookie tin, its opening is always accompanied by a touch of disappointment. And sewing supplies.
He often brought back presents that were useful in everyday life. His way of being gifted with ubiquity, both absent and omnipresent.
I'm pretty sure that's not how a cafetiere works, but sure. Whatever you say, game. What is... Oh, why... Why was the handbag just slowly wiggling along the ground? Oh, God. Oh, what the fuck? What? Why? What am I aiming for here? Can I take a sweetie? I can't take a sweetie. That's cute. I like that. Oh! Fun! I wanted to pick up the bookmarks. Thank you. That's a cute remote. It's a very cute remote. It reminds me of the Buy flag, but like upside down and pastel. Oh. Oh. Wait, what? Wait, what? Can I get things to interact with each other? Oh, I'm supposed to make a heart because that's a heart there. Right, okay, cool. Okay, but I wasn't done being nosy on all the things. Le chat. Okay, I understand my goal now. But, Horsey. Baby. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Yes, I'm okay. Thank you. How are you? Are you well? I hope you're well. What am I doing? Where am I? This direction. Ooh. Stamps! That was a strange sound. Do I have to, like, match 2 again? Like before? No. What the fuck? Okay. Klimt. That took me a second to recognize the painting that was supposed to be, because it's Klimt, which means that there should be a lot more intricacy to that design. I understand why there isn't, obviously, in this case, but it just took me a second. I was like, what's going on there? Oh, it's a Klimt painting. Global USA forever. Okay. A ladybug. My dear lover, we go up the stairs, go aboard metal machines. We take the place on our sits. We take off, and all the cabin's vibrations echoes inside us. We gain altitude. We watch on the landing strips as... What? We watch on the landing... as the landing strips lights fades away? as do the cities. Then its surroundings and all the land disappears as we go over the clouds. We know how high we are, higher than most people. We are in control of this height. And yet, my dearest, all of this is nothing compared to what humanity has just experienced. I wish I could have shared this moment with you. I almost felt your hand in mine as I twitched before the impressive description of the arrival of Buzz Aldrin, Neil Armstrong, and Michael Collins. They did it. They walked on the moon, honey. I clapped, alone. I got carried away and smashed the shelf on which the radio was with my knee. This lacks punctuation, but okay. While Mr. Armstrong put his foot on the moon, a bruise landed on my leg. We all achieve our own something, I suppose. I can't wait to hear the way you felt when it happened, to discuss for hours with you all the things this achievement implies for the future. Your admirer in London. Wait, it started with my dear lover and it ended with your admirer?
Travel to grow, to discover, to flourish, or travel to work. The experiences did not have the right flavor because she was not there to share them with him.
I don't know why the throne command isn't working, but the timer is working. I don't know why the trigger command isn't. My love, once again I think of you and my mind is slowly drifting away. When I am with you, my head is in the clouds, whether I am landed or not. Here, everything is fine. I embark tomorrow for Paris, and I wonder where you are. I only know your first destination, and you left there 5 days ago already. Are you thousands of miles away from me? Are you around Mexico too? Hey, Mexico. I'll stand in ignorance until we meet again. I can't wait for it to happen. Did you know France is uprising? I managed to get a Francois newspaper at the hotel. Strikes are paralyzing the whole country and protesting students are flooding the streets. Is this what the world has become? Violence and anger? I was thinking of this life we have. Like stateless earthlings, always away from everything, unable to grasp the essence of the places we are passing by, lost even in events that take place in our own home. I'm looking forward to meeting you again, hoping it will dispel this unease. I dream of your next kiss, our next kiss, reaching your lips. Your admirer in San Jose del Cabo. Sorry if I said that wrong. I'm playing Look Inside. This is a lot of reading. I think this is the last one, I hope. My dearest love, you must be mad at me for missing us so carefully. That's spelt wrong. Going by the accent of the voiceovers, I don't think this is written by an English speaker. So I'm like, while I will point out a couple of mistakes here and there because I literally cannot stop myself from doing so, it's not me, like, being a dick about it. I'm just observing. You must be mad at me for missing our so carefully planned call. I'm begging you, read this letter as a proof of my helplessness. The hotel we had been assigned to in New York burned the night before we arrived, and we learned about it only after our landing. Please don't see any ill will in my next statement, but this event brings its share of good surprises. The new hotel is fantastic, to such an extent that there is a colour TV in the living room. Do you realise the scale of the progresses we are witnessing each year? I discovered a show called The Benny Hill Show. But I don't think I understand it all. I'm sure you would have laughed at it, and God knows I miss it, your laughter. I hope you can forgive me, my sweet angel. Be sure all these entertainments have failed to prevent me from regretting missing the chance to hear your soft voice. Take care, my love. Your admirer in Rio de Janeiro. Cool. What do I do with this? Is that it? Am I done with that? Okay. Cute. Whee. Oh. Oh, shit. That was violent. What? Get out of here, handbag. Was there a point to that? Also, what do I do with the... Oh. Am I supposed to do something with this map and like the places that he said he went? Because I don't fucking remember. No, because they just fade away again. Also, I'm really bad at geography. Hmm. I also am not... I'm not 100%... Whoa, okay. Not 100% sure how many... Look, am I supposed to find all of these from this one picture?
Given how much care she took in her appearance.
A portrait has been discovered. Ooh. 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 Is there some... Oh my. That's... Okay. The fucking handbag. It's just gonna keep wibbling and wobbling its way. Okay, get fucked. Wait, am I meant to then do something with the stamps? So Rio de Janeiro, San Jose, and London. That's... Or am I meant to like... France. A lot of these are France. That's Germany. France. Okay, maybe not. I'm very confused what I'm supposed to do with this. Don't give me puzzles that involve geography. I'm terrible at geography. Buy new light bulb. The wallpaper grew. What the fuck? That's so cool. Right, yeah. Cool, I did that. Oh, am I supposed to put coffee in her cup? Sick. Oh. You're welcome. Look at the fucking handbag again. Go on the fucking sofa. Wiggle your way that way. Is there anything else that I'm meant to do? Am I supposed to know where those places were? Because I'm so bad at geography. I know where London is. San Jose, Rio de Janeiro. Then there was also like Paris, Mexico. I don't know where these places are on a map. I'm so bad at it. I know where London is, obviously. A bulb you smash with the plane is also having a jig on the floor. Yes. Did I just take that off the rug? Oh. Are there any other flowers I can take out of things? Oh. I don't know what that achieves. Oops. I can't do anything with the wallpaper. I didn't mean to do that. I was trying to see if I could take a flower off her chair. What dis? Oh, I know what dis.